this is Phon-Er Gold and this is vlog 191. We are at Starbucks in Eagle Rock and we are about to fix an iPhone 6 silver or gold. We're working on it right now and we'll be right back with the footage on its way when it drops. Hey guys, I'm walking there right now. Here's the place. It's in it's close to Glendale. It's right by Glendale, Eagle Rock. And the call just came like 5 minutes ago. The girl was at the park walking her dog and she just dropped the phone and she went to Yelp. And I was the only one that was open, so she just said, hey, if I can just do some clutch work, clutch meaning I was right there and then, you know, and so I said sure. And everything worked out perfectly, so I'm here and we're about to get this thing started. Let's do this. Mia? Hi, how are you? Sorry, I'm a vlogger. So I mean, no, but you're not supposed to be inside. It's cool. No, I mean, you're not gonna be inside. You're just gonna be for the repair only. I put with like a time lapse, so like with music. Yeah. How are you? Good? Yeah. Annoyed. No, I mean that's the worst question to ask you, right? How are you? Like are you serious right now? I'm acting like a robot right now, like trying to. So you found me through Yelp, I'm guessing? Yeah. Okay. Only burgers. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And next time. Oh, and if you ever crack this again, not the glass, this thing, just give me a call because once you do one repair, I give you like a last supply of this screen. So, and I'm like only 4 miles from here, so I can literally just drop it off to here. This way you kind of like almost like it'll be halfway to break it again, you know? Yeah.